over time without needing to place extra orders manually. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll through the available options and look for investing settings, dividend settings, or a similar section depending on your app version. Tap on it to continue. Next, find the Dividend Reinvestment or DRIP option. When you locate it, tap the option to open its settings page. You'll see information explaining how automatic dividend reinvestment works. Read through the details carefully, then enable the feature by turning on the toggle switch. If prompted, review the terms and confirm your selection to activate DRIP for your account. After enabling the feature, eligible dividend payments from supported investments can automatically be used to purchase additional shares. You can return to the same settings page at any time to verify that DRIP is still enabled. It's also a good idea to check your transaction history occasionally to track dividend payments and reinvestment activity. Keep in mind that some investments may not qualify for automatic dividend reinvestment, so review the details of your holdings if you have any questions. That's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to enable DRIP on Robinhood. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.